Sen, hi sir.
Sen.
Hi sir, kamusta? Sir, kamusta? Sir, anong nangyari?
Itong klaseng gobyerno. Ha? A sitting president. Hinaharang hindi papasukin sa sesyon. Kung ako'y absent, hinahanap na ako ninyo. Sumusweldo. Hindi nagpapakita. Ngayon, papakita ko dito. Oh, hinara ko ng mga NBI. Niresling ako doon. Kasugat-sugat ako.
Why are you here, sir?
Papasok! This is the Senate! Wala silang respeto sa institusyon ng Senado. Bakit gano'n ang NBI? Ha?
Ano pong plano niyo, sir, sa ginawa sa inyo, sir?
Pag-usap kami. Ano gagawin namin?
But why are you here, sir? Bakit po kayo napapasok today, sir?
Ayaw pa senador din sa Republic. Kung hindi ko mapasok, ginahanap niyo ako. Di ba? Ngayon mapasok ako, tatanungin niyo ako bakit ako pumapasok.
But is, sir, may kinalaman sa pag-user para makabuo ng numbers?
Lahat yan, trabaho ng senador.
It's okay. Ano muna? Kalma muna.
This is the worst government. Whew.
Ay, here na po.
Senator Joel would be mentioned.
Senator Joel Villanueva.
Mr. President, may I be allowed to remove and declare all six vacancies?
What does the majority leader say? There is a motion to declare all positions vacant in the Senate.
President, under our rules, at least precedents, we have to ask for a roll call for the motion of that majority.
So a roll call vote is in order. Secretary will conduct the roll call. Senator Francis Pangilinan is ready.
Here. Yeah.
Because once we start the vote, they get recognition.
Just a clarification as to seats or positions. Are we speaking of all positions as well?
The motion is all positions vacant.
Which positions, Mr. Director? All positions elected of the leadership. Thank you.
All right, Secretary will conduct the roll call vote. The motion is to declare all positions vacant. The vote in agreement is a yes and a no for the other side. Go ahead.
Roll call of members. Honorable Senator Kim.
Yari kayo mamay.
Senator Cayetano Alan. Senator Cayetano Pia. Senator De La Rosa. Senator Hershey. Senator Escudero. Senator Estrada. Senator Gatchalian.
We cannot hear the votes of the people. Please rise and say your vote.
Roll call of member. Senator Aquino. Senator Cayetano Alan. Senator Cayetano Pia. Senator De La Rosa.
Yes!
Senator Ejercito. Senator Escudero.
What? Abstain.
Senator Estrada. Senator Gatchalian. Senator Go. Senator Ontiveros. Senator Lacson. Senator Lapid. Senator Ligarda. Senator Marcoleta. Senator Marcos. Senator Padilla. Senator Pangilinan. Senator Tulfo Erwin. Senator Tulfo Rafi.
No.
Senator Villanueva. Senator Villar Camille. Senator Villar Mark. Senator Subiri. Senator President Soto.
No.
Ilan ang lamang?
Hindi pa natataya.
Sa baba siya hinalang ng NBI.
With 13 affirmative votes, 10 negative votes, and 1 abstention, the positions, in all the positions in the Senate is hereby declared vacant.
13.
Therefore, to nominate Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as the new Senate President.
Are you designating me as the presiding officer? Because I am, the position is already vacant. I think you must select somebody to take the position. I am no longer the presiding officer. So you designate a presiding officer. In the meantime, I
Yes,
suspend session.
Senora is watching.
Gabulan sila pa, no? Ito yung Biden, no? Gabulan pa kaya? Kaya, ikaw tumatakbo sa doon eh.
Inaawat siya.
Ano kayo? Saan ba ako sa ulihin?
Wala pa na.
Tama.
Ay, Krisho, para sa'yo.
Yes, will the session resume? May I herewith move and nominate Senator Jinggoy Estrada as the temporary presiding officer.
Wala. Subo. Hindi, nasa ibang lugar ako. Katabi ko siya. Katapat ko siya. Paano nila yung katabi?
Can you also nominate
Hindi ko alam, hindi kami nagkakabit.
temporary
Hindi.
acting majority leader?
Motion by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano that the Senator John Villanueva be acting.
Hindi ko na ano, sinigaw sa pang.
There is objection. There being none, motion.
Mr. President, there was a nomination
Natin yung kunin natin.
by Senator Ivy Marcos to elect Senator Alan Peter Cayetano to be our Senate President. And I don't think, Mr.
Pero
President,
dinominate niya yung
there's no objection, Mr. President. So I move that we close the period of nomination, Mr. President.
There is objection. There being none, the period, yes, is there no objection, Senator?
Wala na.
People are object.
13, which is abstain. 13, 10, 1,
Noted, Senator Pangilinan.
and 13. Abstain.
There is a motion by Senator Villanueva to close the period
13,
of
10,
nomination.
1.
Is there any objection? There being none.
10, 13, 1. Abstain si
Yung
Jim.
declare the vacant.
Sabi ni
May we ask, Mr. President, the newly elected Senate President
10:31.
take his oath, Mr. President, and suspend the session.
Session is suspended.
Hindi na siya nakapanik sa akin.
Nakati ang magiging Senate President ng si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Sa Senator Al Marcos, ang nominate na si Senator Alan. Ninominate pa kanya ninominate Senator Al Marcos, Senator Alan Cayetano para maging Senate President. Bakit na ngayon si Cayetano? Alam ko din para maging Senate President.
Assalamualaikum.
Senator, sa may gilid kami ni Senator Bato de la Rosa na may kapag sa galit eh.
Sen.
Sir. Senator de la Rosa FBC, Senate President Soto, ako sa kabilang gilid. Senate President Soto.
Senator.
Sir, can you, yan,